Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to be talking about XRP. Got some information for you. XRP is making a nice little run moving up. Also, specifically, I want to talk to you about a short-term XRP price prediction. XRP is just continuing to move up. You know, we had some pretty big weekly news this week with the Filipino remittance deal that XRP put together. If you're not familiar with what that was, I'll tell you about that. But I also really wanted to show you that there is some really cool things coming for XRP, have a dialogue with you, as well as talk about a short-term price prediction of where XRP could head in the next day or so. Looking pretty good there. As always, this video is for entertainment purposes only. And truly, thank you for your support of my channel, my videos. Thank you for giving me a voice in all of this. FYI, if you're interested, I've got a Patreon group below if you want to check that out. Link is in the description as well as in the comments. Check that out. Got 2 levels, Inner Circle. At the Inner Circle, you get access to my portfolio. You get to know when I'm buying, when I'm selling before I do it, what I'm looking at. I'll also give you hot crypto tips for every week. So if that's something you're interested in, check that out. Link in below. Okay, so the overall State of the Union. Earlier today, the overall crypto market was really kind of not doing a whole heck of a lot. And Bitcoin hadn't really moved much. I firmly believe that it was related to 2 pieces of content that came out earlier today. The IMF, the International Monetary Fund, came out earlier today and basically said that they didn't really like cryptocurrencies and they wanted to dissuade major countries like El Salvador and things like that from using it as their currency. All right, there was that. Also, there was a situation that developed earlier today where the government came out and said basically that they are going to be moving forward with taxing cryptocurrency profits, which frankly I knew was going to happen. I knew that was coming. So I think that we had kind of this earlier period today where really wasn't much going on, but Bitcoin has rebounded really, really nicely and has traveled back up. It's over 41,000. I've always said that if we can get Bitcoin over 42,000, I think we're off and running. And everybody pretty much readily agrees that once we get into kind of August, September, specifically the last part of Q3 and then moving into Q4, we got some bull run ahead of us. And Ethereum has moved up pretty nicely today as well. But specifically XRP is bouncing up pretty nicely. It is up and has been up, but it actually gave a little bit back. It was up earlier, right before I created this video, at about 76 cents. Okay, so we're currently trading at around 75 cents, and I think moving up. The volume is up about 30%, which is good, kind of volume coming back in. And the market cap, I wanted to refresh and look at that real quickly. The market cap, is at 34,735. You know, with an eye towards Cardano. Got a ways to go to unseat Cardano, but I think if anybody could, it's definitely XRP. Okay, so let's take a look at the chart. Again, we had some nice movement up here recently. We had that kind of sideways channel, and then we moved up, kind of gave everything back, channeled for a little bit, and then we're now moving over. So we got a little bit of volatility here where we're moving. Let's see where we're trading at, kind of like right in that area. Yeah, so it's probably right in here. I'm gonna get there. There we go. There we go. Straight. Okay, and then, but we're, you know, and where our, looks like our resistance is really, not really, but somewhere probably in there. I know we're breaking above that, but, you know, it looks like our resistance is really kind of this 75-cent range. We've been pushed back a couple of times. We've peaked over it, and we just got to get enough kind of bullish momentum to get over it, which brings me to the main reason for the video. Okay. So this is a piece of content over on AMB Crypto right here. XRP, how and when to go long this bullish pattern. Specifically talking about right here. So the recent push up has seen XRP break above its 20-day SMA and 50-day, 50 SMA. Okay, so right in there, there's your chart right there. Okay, it's a little bit hard to see those colors, but you can see them. Okay. So basically, nevertheless, the formation of a bull flag presented chances of an upwards breakout over the coming days. The Fibonacci extension tool highlighted potential target levels too. The 141.4 and 161.8 extension levels rested at 82 cents and 80 cents, respectively, and could be in focus over the course of the next week. So within the next week, basically, all that really saying is that we could see XRP reach those price points. Okay, despite a correctional phase, XRP bulls have maintained control. Yes, they have. and an extended decline has seemed unlikely. I agree. Definitely not not in this situation. This barring bearish cues broader market. The coming days could see the price break north from the bull flag pattern and head towards 82 cents or even 86 cents. This might be the case for the next wave of selling pressure hits the respective market. Okay, so the point here is that we could get to 82 to 86 cents within a week's time. I think we may get there faster. The caveat is, as long as we continue to have a bull run momentum, which we certainly have right now with Bitcoin and Ethereum, that could bode very, very well for us. Bode, there's your word of the day. For those of you guys who have been following me for a while, you know I do that every now and then. I just say some word at random and I say, there's your word of the day. A lot of you guys get a kick out of that. Okay, so again, Bitcoin and Ethereum kind of looking good. So we've got to have overall market movement with us. We're looking good. We've got a nice bullish pattern developing, continue developing, and continuing to play out for XRP. Pretty exciting stuff, okay? Finally, if you weren't familiar with this, this happened a couple of days ago. On July 28th, this piece of content came out talking specifically about the fact that Ripple had done a deal and launched their on-demand liquidity service to facilitate XRP transfers through the Filipino remittance corridor between Japan and the Philippines. Basically what this is that these are Filipino workers working in Japan sending money back to the Philippines. The number is 1.8 billion with a B, $1.8 billion a year, okay? And so historically this has been done using money transfer services that have very high costs and very high fees associated with them that cost the people sending the money. So now there's a new deal in place where they're using the new XRP, Ripple's XRP ODL system, on-demand liquidity service, okay? And they're able to, send this 1.8 billion back, get less fees charged. And what I want to point out to you right here is that Ripple has come out and said, quote, ODL in Japan is the start, and we look forward to providing real-time payments to other parts of the region as well. So this $1.8 billion remittance situation that's developed between this deal is only, I think, frankly, the tip of the iceberg, and I think there's more to follow, specifically in the Asia Pacific region. There's a lot of this kind of money transfer situations that are right there that are perfect for Ripple / XRP, which is pretty darn cool. Finally, as of right now today, I have a Coinbase account, and I have been watching. There is speculation and rumor and discussion that XRP will be soon coming back to Coinbase. So for those of you guys like me in the States who want to trade with your Coinbase account, supposedly that's coming back. Yes, I know there are other ways you can do it. There are other exchanges, etc. But I'm just giving you guys the news. As of right now, that has not transpired. And I looked late last night. I take that back. I didn't look this morning. So unless it happened today, this XRP getting reactivated on Coinbase, it hasn't happened yet. But if you guys have seen it, drop in the comments below. Let me know if I've missed it. But I checked it late last night, around midnight my time last night. It wasn't there. I haven't checked it today. I was going to before I did this video, but I just made the video instead. So you guys let me know. But again, we got a lot of cool stuff going on for XRP. We got a really good price prediction to 82 to 86 cents. That looks pretty nice coming up. And we'll continue to watch it and continue to see how this all plays out. As always, truly, thank you for giving me a voice in this crazy, crazy crypto market here on YouTube. I promise I don't take that responsibility lightly. And always appreciate your support. Take it easy. Bye.